Say hi, Lou, yeah?
What, so hold on a minute, you don't believe that?
I don't believe that, especially I have respect, yeah?
So if I show you my dick and it's circumcised, would you believe it?
Jewish is circumcised.
I'm just asking you. So
But that's not point.
Hold on, do you think I'm Jewish?
No, wait, no, don't say that. Calm down. I'm giving you a point now.
Okay.
What I know, there's Kurdish, not everyone. A lot of Kurdish comes here when originally they were Christians and they claimed they were Muslims because they lived amongst the Muslims.
Right.
Can I ask you what made you to leave Islam?
He doesn't believe that.
What made you to leave Islam? What made you leave Islam?
I'm completely put off Islam, that's why.
No, what was the reason? I want to know if you are a Muslim or not.
Because I tell you why, bro.
They're going step by step. Make sure that reason is not in Christianity. In the Bible, it's in the Bible.
I'm telling you from my personal experience.
Okay.
Since you're putting me on the spot like this.
But personal experience, not Islam.
What?
If a Muslims will bet to you, that's not Islam.
Brother, us Kurds, we've been through everything through hell by Islam. Do you realize that?
By Muslims or Islam?
By Islam.
Okay, how?
What do you mean how?
I'm asking you how.
By ethnic cleansing, by genocide.
That's not Islam. Islam wants anger.
See, it's funny how you justify everything.
Why justify?
Because under the name, are you not allowing me to speak?
What are you getting angry for?
Why are you not allowing me to speak?
I thought peace and love, Christianity.
Oh really? Yeah. Maybe if you listen to me, then I won't get frustrated.
But you shouting, you already claim.
Bro, listen, are you going to listen to my point of view
or not?
Okay, so we've gone through everything under the sun under the name Islam.
That's not Islam.
We've been through genocide, we've been through ethnic cleansing, we've been through oppression, we've been through everything. We've been denied our own existence. When my people are the native people of the land. You guys here are Muslim, yeah? You guys want to embrace Salah ad-Din Ayyubi, yeah? But you want to deny my own existence.
No, we don't.
You guys are all hypocrites.
No, we don't deny it.
Yeah?
We don't deny it.
All hypocrites.
Look, we don't. Bro, you're emotional, guy.
Any man that knows me,
emotional.
since you want to put me out
emotional.
Bro, what you mean I'm emotional?
You're emotional.
Because you claim I'm a liar.
Okay, I didn't say you're a liar.
What do you know?
Wait. I'm testing your claim.
You said you don't believe me.
No, of course I don't believe you.
Yeah.
I don't, because I'm testing your claim. Now you make claim against Islam. Now you're telling me I believe the Kurds. Hear me out. Let me speak.
Bro,
let me speak.
We're supposed to be a Muslim country.
Let me speak.
Turkey, the biggest hypocrites, the biggest radicals.
Brother, let me speak.
Yeah, listen,
let me speak, brother. I do agree with you.
You do?
They oppress the Kurds. I agree with that without any doubt. But what you have to understand. Wait. But the point here is there is some Muslims in the Muslim countries, they've been oppressed by their leaders, but that's not Islam. So you left Islam because a Muslim do something. How many Christians?
I left Islam because what you guys do to us in the name of Islam.
Wait.
Does that make sense?
Okay. What about, no. When the Christians,
who believes me now?
No, wait. What do you think about when the French Christian came to our country and killed the Algerians for 132 years in the name of Christianity? Is that good reason for Christian to live Christianity?
How long until Christianity?
Lies against Islam.
How long until Christianity can defend?
You're never Muslim.
How long? Islam is a new religion, my friend. If you want to go back to the roots, you go back to the very roots.
Where's the roots?
What do you mean where's the roots?
Adam. Was he Christian? Was he Christian, Adam?
Adam is the children of God.
No, I ask you.
The first creation of God.
What was his belief?
What do you mean what's his belief?
Did he believe in Trinity?
Bro, you're changing the subject now.
No, because they go back to origin.
You're telling me us Christians don't believe in Adam. Is that what you're telling me?
No, you said that. Go back to origin. No. This guy last week was telling me, tell your Muslim brothers to calm down.
Go on then. Which one of you don't believe me here?
Well, all of us.
Praise to the Almighty.
Okay, What
the fuck is that? This guy was never Muslim. This guy was
I'm here to expose these liars.
He doesn't know Falak.
You don't know it. This is a good end. That will be a good end for the people to see. It's a good end. Stop lying.
So you call your video?
Yeah. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna put the whole video just shouting.
I used to say La ilaha illallah.
What's that?
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. I used to say so. But let me tell you something. I'm not a practitioner to pray 5 times a day.
So you never know about Islam?
I was born a Muslim.
Yeah, you never know about Islam then.
What do you mean?
You never know about Islam?
Really?
Okay, watch.
Really?
Okay, brother, let me ask you a question, please. I see you're a good man, you're a man of honor. What do you think about someone says to slaughter babies alive. What do
You know
think
what?
about
You
it?
know, you
No,
see
what
a
do you
man
think
of
about
honor.
it?
That's why I'm talking to
What do
Jesus
you-
Christ.
Yes.
That's why.
Jesus said
You
slaughter
understand?
babies alive. Do you think they're good?
Bruv, you always mention babies, bruv. You lot are the
You don't
ones
care
that
about
are
babies.
beheading. You're the
Stop
ones that are the ones
them.
that are
No, no.
decapitating.
Who's
You're the ones that are justifying
Okay, no
on top
problem.
of that. Yeah.
Jesus said to do it.
Bro,
What do you think?
Bro,
Jesus said to do it. What do you think?
what do you mean, Jesus?
Jesus said, you believe Jesus is God?
Who has Jesus
say?
killed?
Jesus say
Who?
behead
Who?
Where does Jesus say that?
Who? Tell me one thing.
Old Testament.
Who has Jesus
Where did
killed, bro?
Jesus say
Who has Jesus
behead
killed?
children?
Wait. Who killed Jesus?
What are
Yeah,
you
who
talking
is
about?
Jesus
You believe
killed?
the Jews killed him?
Where did Jesus say behead children?
I tell you, you believe Jesus is God. You believe Jesus is God.
Who has Jesus killed, bro?
Shut up, Samsy.
That's the reason.
Why
I see you guys.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Samsy,
Honestly annoying.
When you guys, you
Why
know
you
what
shouting?
tilted me? I'll tell you why. Because you guys are not listening. When you guys,
That's
I'm talking to
Christianity. Christianity.
You guys, yeah, Christianity. Yeah.
Shouting.
Yeah,
No,
Peace and
no
love.
argument.
yeah, of course,
Peace and love.
of course.
What do you think about someone said kill children?
you-
Slaughter babies alive.
You're not even letting me speak, bro.
I'm asking you a question.
You've been speaking for 4 minutes.
You've been speaking.
You're not answering this question. Your books confirm the Old Testament.
What do you think? What do you think about someone says slaughter babies alive?
Bro, you guys are the ones that justify it, not me, bro.
I ask you that. What do you
It's in
think?
God's hands. It's in God's hands to take life, yeah, and to give life. That's it.
Okay, so
Yeah,
Samuel.
not you guys, nobody else.
So when Samuel said slaughter babies alive, Samuel, prophet of God, Jesus said to him, go slaughter babies alive. There was no God. Samuel did it. What do you think about that?
Silence.
Silence. Silence. I'm here to expose the liars against Islam. Yes. Liar. These guys on the camera and the video claiming that he was a Muslim and he left Islam and hugging Bob and praising Bob. But guess what? This guy never been Muslim. It's a tactic now. Do you know why? Because alhamdulillah in the park every 2 weeks or 3 weeks you see someone accept Islam. So they don't like it. So they start making up stories. They have someone. So I ask him, what made you leave Islam? I asked him, what made you leave Islam? Give me a reason. You know, he said, people did this to Turks, the Kurdish. Yeah, but the Christians came to my country, stayed in my country for 130 years, killing us, slaughtering us. But there will be no good reason for a Christian to say, I left Christianity because the French did that and they were Christians. Exactly. You have to say, the reason I left Islam, such and such, Allah said, Prophet Muhammad said. But guess what? In the Bible, God I believe, Jesus said, because I believe is God, he said, go slaughter the babies alive. So these are lies, I'm here to expose them. Bi-idhnillah jalla wa ala. Look at this guy interrupting me, wasting my time. Coming with a camera, coming like he's going to do jogging. Wallahi. So alhamdulillah, this was ikhwa, because they put it up, Muslim left Islam. So Kofim did it. So brothers, expose the fake Muslim in the park.